I don't hate it. Okay.
Is that Fig Newton? Is that what that is? I mean, seriously.
Oh.
Well, that is sad. Because if that's what they've got for donuts, God bless them.
And what are we doing here?
So what you're doing is you're going to be trying snacks from all around the world. So this is for celebrating National Snack Day. You're just going to try the snacks. Y'all are just trying snacks that you can actually eat. You don't eat those by the
It'd
end.
be really fun if I have an allergic reaction.
No, gosh. Why are you swelling?
So I would say start here at the end with the Russian snack.
All right, Tim.
So grab
us.
Hey, finally something I can sink my teeth into. I am all aboard on this video here today. This is going to be awesome. So we're trying... First on the list are Yak Oppiton. What?
Okay, do you want me to split one?
Yeah.
Do you want to try the chocolate one and this one?
Sure.
Okay.
You just take a little bite out of each.
Yeah, just a little. Oh.
That doesn't look good.
That's a.
Do I interest you in a dumpling, sir?
I guess I have. They're huge. Look at the size of those things.
Well, one in half. You don't eat the whole thing.
Yeah, Ken. You don't have to eat the whole thing.
All right, all right.
And these are what, donuts?
Good guess.
No, somebody said it earlier.
Oh. They're Russian donuts, yeah.
They're very hard.
Well, they're not fresh Russian donuts.
All right, cheers.
What is this?
I can't decide what this is. The goo is all around.
I wonder if this is going to be like peanut butter or is this going to be like butterscotch or...
Do they have peanut butter in Russia?
I don't know.
All right, I'll do one of those.
That's weird.
It's a Russian donut.
That's a donut.
This isn't horrible.
It's apples.
That's pretty good.
Okay, ready?
All right, cheers.
So what you just ate is called, it's a Russian donut.
Oh.
Well, that is sad. Because if that's what they've got for donuts, God bless them.
There's just not a lot of flavor to it. It's okay, but it's kind of...
And it makes a mess.
Yeah. Okay.
I would give that a 3.
Terrible.
For some reason, I don't believe you.
It doesn't taste like a U.S. donut. It's pretty good.
All right, we got norimaki, a rare, some sort of rice crackers wrapped in seaweed.
All right, this is from
What is
China?
this? China?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it?
It's gluten-free.
Great.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna try this nori something.
This looks like a piece of wood.
I'm going with 2 because I bet I like these. I would eat this again.
I'm going to try another one, but man, the seaweed hits you hard.
A little seafoody.
Mm-hmm.
Little.
A little seaweedy.
A little seaweedy.
Is that seaweed?
Yes, tastes like fish. It's not
Yes,
horrible.
it does.
It's like a sushi pretzel. I don't hate it. Okay.
The seaweed's kind of an acquired taste.
I would eat that again.
No, I kind of like it.
Not bad.
Yeah.
It's not horrible, but it's fishy.
I'm gonna go with a solid 1.
I kind of like it. Like a 5 or a 6.
Really?
Yeah.
Turtle chips, coca churro.
You don't have to do both chips. You can pick which one you want. You can either do the turtle or the honey butter. Or you can do both.
Well, you do turtle.
You want the butter?
Honey butter chip. Interesting. Okay.
These are just chips.
I'm gonna have a butter chip.
Oh, it smells good. Smell this.
All right, what does it say? It's with real honey
Okay.
and made of 100% potato.
Honey on a potato.
What could go
know if that
wrong?
Butter.
And butter. Well, butter.
It's just like a soft Korean.
That's good.
Yeah.
Sounds all right.
You like it?
That's a maybe. That's a 9 out of 10. If you're craving buttered popcorn, that's it. I'm more than another one.
These are good.
Yeah. Okay. Here we go.
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers.
That's pretty good. I don't taste much. It doesn't. I thought it would be sweeter. With it being honey.
My mouth is a little confused.
Yeah, that tastes like really, really buttered popcorn.
That's what Tim said.
That's been around for a few days.
They're kind of like, you know, the Taco Bell, fried little Taco Bell twists. They're like a chocolate twist.
Yeah.
That's what that is.
Turtle chips. Where's this from? Is this?
It's a South Korea flavored chip.
Okay. Turtle as in like the little
I
turtle
think it's just the
creature
name.
or like caramel chocolate
It says
That's what I'm
pecan.
thinking,
Churros.
caramel chocolate. These are not made from turtles.
Great.
Are you keto?
No.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Cheers. Tastes like cereal.
I think each of us can have one of our French
Fruit
tarts.
pie?
Raspberry tartlets. Do you like raspberry?
I do.
I like raspberry too. Oh, these are individually wrapped. Do you want to
Hey, hey.
split one?
Sure.
This is from France.
All right.
You can sniff it.
Sniff test. It looks
Yes.
good.
Have a sniff.
What we got here? Fruit tart?
Yeah,
smells good.
some raspberry tarts. You know, it says French, but isn't that the same brand that does the jelly?
This will be fine. This will be good. I can already see this one's good.
Cheers.
It's not like we're in a major city where we can go a big.
Good
crazy-
jelly.
I like the raspberry part. I don't know if I like the cookie.
That one was split them in half. Is that better?
All right.
It's good.
Uh-huh. That one's good.
I'm thinking real hard about this.
It's more like,
It doesn't taste how I thought it would taste.
it's more of a gel kind of consistency than I thought it was going to be.
It's an odd raspberry if that's raspberry jam.
That is kind of an odd raspberry.
We're gonna go back to a savory one.
Back to savory.
So that that flag. I don't know that flag.
It's that's Thailand.
Thai. This one. Oh yeah, it makes sense.
Eat with drinks, mix with noodles, as a snack, eat everywhere.
No, we
Oh, it's like a
haven't
chip.
had seaweed chip. All right. That
Dory,
does
you
not-
can touch my food.
May I?
Did you lick your fingers first, or?
It's in Thailand.
Oh,
That's a good chip. More tasty
Again,
seaweed.
if you like the seaweed, I'm on the fence about the seaweed.
Cheers. Just tastes like a chip.
yeah, it's coming.
Yeah.
I don't want to eat this because the other one's
I know, I
sweet.
know.
You know this is not good.
This looks like a pork rind.
It's a healthy pork rind. Is
I like
better?
that one.
You like that one?
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, there's an aftertaste. There is an aftertaste.
I'd eat that.
Y'all like seaweed.
We would eat it everywhere.
I'd eat it everywhere.
Aftertaste.
That's okay. There's not a lot of flavor to
Just
it.
seaweed, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, just seaweed. Yeah, it's only seaweed. That has almost no flavor whatsoever.
It's like if you were walking on the beach. and
Oh
you
no,
picked
wait,
up
there
and
it
ate
is.
Oh yes, the ocean.
Yes.
That will leave an aftertaste.
Little hint to the ocean there.
Uh-huh.
What does it taste like?
I can't say on camera.
So I think we need to try a drink.
Give me a
That's
drink.
what it says. Eat with drinks. So we got to try a drink with it. Do you want the pine cone drink or the kiwi drink first?
I'm gonna go kiwi because it reminds me of Mountain Dew.
Kiwis.
I like kiwi.
I like kiwi as well. Does it have any? All label is in Russian.
Okay.
So
I'll do the green one.
You have to do both.
The,
That's the green fairy.
You can't give him one and you get the other. You
for goodness sake.
Is this liquor? I know.
And that also potentially could have alcohol in it.
I don't
that
think-
bottle looks.
busy.
Smells kiwi.
Does it? I didn't know they would have kiwis in Russia.
I don't know. It smells like this is gonna be sweet.
This one smells delicious, actually. This one smells good. You want a
That's
little
the
bit?
green fairy.
It's the green something. It's like kiwi, it looks
I
like.
think it's absinthe.
It says,
I think
it says
Oh, this is interesting.
And I think that one is kiwi.
Mmm.
Swivel it.
It's good.
That's a 2.
I like it. I give it a 9.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
It's okay.
Sour apple Jolly Rancher.
Ooh, yes.
That's exactly what it is.
That is.
That tastes like a kid's
oh,
drink.
it's fizzy.
The green one.
They're
Yeah.
both not-
like a kid.
It does. It's like Hawaiian punch or something.
Cheers. Cheers. That's not bad. It's okay.
What would you give it out of 10?
I mean, 5.
Alright.
I would do maybe 7 or 8. But it doesn't really have flavor. No.
This one, it's got pine cones on the label. I don't think that is a
Good
good
sign.
sign.
No.
My pine cone juice looks like fizzled coffee.
Pine cone flavor?
I don't know.
Oh,
This
I
has
thought
a-
you were serious.
It has a pine cone on the front.
Oh, yeah.
There's
Thank
a
you,
little bit.
Ken.
That's probably as much as you'll want.
Oh wow, that smells like a berry or something.
Does it?
It tastes like an RC cola.
Oh, so. Yeah, kind of.
Not too far. You didn't know the RC stands for Russian cola. Who would have thought of that?
It doesn't. That's Royal Crown.
I'm joking.
Oh, all right.
Not bad.
Cheers.
All right, that's not as bad as I thought
It's
it was
not as
gonna
bad
be.
as I thought it. It actually doesn't have a ton of. It's got more smell than flavor.
Yeah, it does. It
Smelly
really
drink.
does.
It is a smelly
It was
drink.
very pine solly,
That's what I was thinking.
but then it kind of tastes like watered down Coke.
Exactly.
Mm-hmm.
Bland.
It was fine. It just went down the wrong pipe.
Sure it did.
It's okay. It's kind of like it's almost like Coke almost. A taste to it. Yeah.
Ew.
It's not promising.
Ugh.
Oh, it really is pine cone flavored, I think.
Now, Alex and Tim, before you said it tasted like RC Cola. But I'm assuming Michelle's face is not RC Cola.
earthy.
They are berry filled bougie.
Berry filled bougie?
Where's that from? What country?
That's Italy.
That's
Italy?
Oh,
Okay.
Italy will be good. Come on, Italy's got to be good.
Looks like a fig Newton.
Is that Fig Newton? Is that what that is? I mean, seriously. Remember those?
Pretty much.
I'm getting a fig Newton vibe. And I don't like fig Newtons.
I like it.
This is definitely the Saturday Night Live.
Way to
skit.
go, Italy. All right. I am happy with Italy.
That one's my favorite.
I'm good too.
Now we've got some salmiak sticks, which I'm assuming is going to be something like a licorice.
I may take your word on the salmonella stick, man. My belly's hurting.
I probably wouldn't put this photo on the front because it's not doing it any favors. Nordic Sweets delights all ages with
Ooh.
its wide range of classic Scandinavian candies. Oh, so this is going to be sweet.
Okay.
All right, I know what this salmiak sticks.
This one says it has molasses in it.
Oh, that's a licorice. If licorice, you got to smell that. That's
Oh, man. That's like that black licorice.
yeah. You know.
Seamus.
Looks like a Sour Patch Kid or something.
No, it looks more like a twig.
Well, I mean with the coating.
Yeah, maybe. Okay.
Oh no. I smell it.
Really?
Put it in your mouth.
That's licorice, isn't it? Oh no. Okay.
Oh, it's soft.
You can spit it out if you don't like it.
It's interesting.
For a fun assortment of flavors and textures, mix them together, just like they do in Europe.
You did the whole thing.
Aren't I supposed to?
You can just take a bite. If you don't like it, you just take a bite. That's the one Tim spit out.
That's odd. That is odd. I can't.
That's like a licorice almost. Licorice.
All right. I would buy that one.
Really?
That one's good.
All right.
Yeah.
You're the first person to have a positive reaction to that snack.
That's because people don't like dark black licorice, and this has that taste to it. So I like that. That's not bad at all.